Greetings, this is Marcus from Sporting Cute, and today I'll be doing some more Roux example solves. So, let's get right into the video. So the scrambles will be in the description, and what I first see here is that this is paired up, and the green-yellow edge is already in. This edge will be right here, and that won't make a very good pair here for the second pair, so I would just do red yellow because it'll be easy to just do a D, a U prime, and a U prime at the same time. The D move will move this here, and once I insert this with a back move, this will have red facing here and yellow facing here, and I would just do a U prime to just move it here, and then just do an R2 to pair it up, and this will go here, and then I'll track it from there. So it goes like that, move it in, do a U prime, and then I'll just pair it up this like that. This could go in like that, and then this is already here, so I'll just move it over. And for this, I would do it like that, so this will be set up pretty nicely. And then I'll just pair it up and then insert it, and then now there's these two pieces, so I would just move it here and pair it up and then insert, and then I have this CML case, so it goes like this, and then I have an arrow, so I would just do the EO, and then I would do this case like that, and then now there's just a cycles case. So in the second scramble, I have this already paired up for the green-white, and this could be easily paired up. And I also see this blue pair is right here, and this blue, the DR edge is right here. So I would just move this over like this, and then I will move it over, and then this will be preserved once I insert this into here and pair it up and stuff, and then I'll move this here, and that will be a pretty easy, nice case. So I'll do that, and I have this here, and now I could insert it, but I would do a U2 instead of that because these two are already paired up like this, and it's mismatching colors. So if I move it up here, these two will be paired up nicely to cancel into like that. And now I have this CML case, so I recognize it from these two are the same and these two are opposite. So I would just do this. Now these two are misoriented, so I would just make the arrow and do it like that. And now this is here and the green is here, so I'll be finished with that, and now I have a cycles case. So for this next scramble, I have these two like this, so I could do any of the reds. They aren't that good, and I see this orange right. I could move this over in one move, and I could pair it up like that, and then these two are easy to track, so they'll be over here, so it'll be like this. And then now I'll just go on to here, and I see this is already in, so I would just do this like that. This is already here, and I'll pair up these two like this, and then I'll do this. These two are pretty nice, so I do it like that. And now I have this case, which is just a double sexy, like that. And now these two are here, and then I could do an EOLR, so sorry for that background noise. So I could do the EOLR, this, and then now these two, instead of doing this, that would have been hard to do, it'll just be mismatched. I could just move it down and then do the U2 and then do it like that, and then now I'll just do the cycles. So for this next scramble, I see that this is done, this pair, and I could either do blue yellow, blue white, red yellow, or red white. I see that red white's actually pretty good, so if I move this over here, this will be pretty good to insert. So, and these two will be up here, and I'll track this. So like this, and then I'll pair it up like that, and then I'll insert, and then I have this. Now these two are done. I'll just do it like this. Do an M move, and then insert. These two are paired up like this, so I'll do it like that. And now I have this case, so it's a soon case, so I do the diagonal. And then now I have 4 on top here. Do the arrow, and I could just do it like this, and then do it like that. So looking at this last scramble, we have this mismatch centers square, and I'll just stick with that. This one could be paired up with a U prime or 2, and then U alright, and then this could be easily inserted, and I'll track this. So it's like this, and now I could just do a back move like that, and now this could be inserted here, and I have this, and I also have this. So this would be easier to pair up like that, and then I would just insert it, and then I would just go straight into pairing these up, and then insert it, and then I would have these here, and then I would just move it in. And I also have the same CML case as the last time, so, and then now I have this, so I'll just do it like that. This arrow, move it back, that, and now I have a 4C skip. If you enjoyed this type of content, please slap that like button and subscribe to Sporting Cubed, and click the bell icon to be notified when we upload. See ya!